Good morning and welcome back to Sloop's Garage. We're back out here with the Corolla. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning it up. Get a vacuum in there. We're just going to do a rough once over. Get all the trash out, vacuum the floors, pull them seat covers out. That way I can go ahead and pull the seats out, disassemble the center console, pull the carpet out. I plan on pressure washing everything. The seats, the carpet. I've done this in the past and it turns out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the vacuum set up, put you guys on time lapse, and we'll start cleaning this car out. Alright, so we got the passenger side vacuumed out. It's not perfect, but like I said, I'm just doing a once over. So I get in here, pull the seat out, get all this stuff underneath. So just as an idea, that's kind of what the whole carpet looked like before. Obviously not much improvement. A lot of that's been wet and stained with I don't know what. So we'll keep at it. I'm gonna hit the back seat area next, and we'll just keep pushing away at this and get this thing knocked out. Alright, honestly that's probably the best I'm gonna get it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this last seat cover off. Should be, well, maybe. Good Lord, this is a mess. Alright, so I vacuumed. You can barely tell. The seats aren't horrible. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's all ashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this seat off, and then we'll go ahead and pull the seats out, vacuum under them, get start trying to take the center console out so I can pull the carpet out, pressure wash it, because like I said, most of this has been wet and it is just disgusting. Found a lot of Canadian and US coinage in here, so that's kind of cool. That does kind of prove that the vehicle was in Canada for a little while, as does the Carfax, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the seats out after I vacuum that one, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I find. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys the seat removal process. So you got two 14mm in the front here, and then you got two in the back. So we'll go ahead and pull the front ones, and then we'll move to the back. We want to slide the seat forward. Ooh, cigarette butt. Yummy. And then you're gonna have some electrical connectors underneath, mainly for the seat belt, as well as your airbag stuff. So I'll disconnect that and we'll come back after I pull the seat out. Alright, so we got our seats out. As you can see, carpet underneath is just as gross. Got some coins, paper clips, wrappers, cigarette butts. Oh, my favorite. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video here. Just wanted to show you guys the rough once over, vacuuming, pulling the seats out, and then we'll make another video for me pulling the rest of the carpet out and stuff so we can pressure wash it. But thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.